Vaccine mandates for public schools and state workers are going into effect in a number of cities and states as the demographics of the outbreak shift. Mark Meredith has more from Washington.
The battle over mandates is heating up, with President Biden vowing to push ahead with COVID vaccine requirements wherever he can. And now Fox News has learned congressional Democrats are preparing legislation that could potentially raise fines for employers that, quote, willfully and repeatedly violate those mandates, from $14,000 initially proposed by the White House to $70,000 for serious infractions. The news comes as a federal judge in New York signed off on a plan to require all New York City public school employees get their shots. This potentially paves the way for other cities and states to enact similar rules, including in San Diego, where the school board voted unanimously in favor of a vaccine mandate for staff and eligible students.
They don't have the proof that it's okay for children. They're rushing everything, and I'm against it.
Here we have this vaccine in front of us that is already saving lives. The people who aren't vaccinated are the ones dying now.
Health officials say today the pandemic is impacting U.S. regions differently. In the South, cases and hospitalizations are dropping, but in New England and the Midwest, cases are rising. Health officials say they're hopeful newly authorized booster shots will reverse infection rates in hotspots, pointing to new CDC data that shows they're safe, effective, and have few side effects.
COVID-19 vaccine booster doses so far are well tolerated. The frequency and type of side effects were similar to those seen after the second vaccine doses.
The White House says so far more than 400,000 Americans have chosen to get a booster shot. They launched the rollout over the last weekend.